I checked the mail today. This is what's in there. It's from Streamlight, and I'm positive this is my TMW hoodie that I have on order. I'm too fucking excited for this, by the way. Oh man, this is nice. Dropping shit. What we got here? Looks like some washing instructions. Not that important right now. Oh man. Look at that. I'm gonna build all kinds of muscle in the gym with this shit, man. Great fit. Hey man, you wanna build some muscle? This shit is great, man. Walk around with this bitch on, everybody gonna look at me now, man. And then you lift weights. You know something? Yeah, man. I do whatever the fuck I wanna do.